decades ago, the amount of water in the Colorado River was divided between all the states adjacent to it. It became quite apparent that the numbers used in that early distribution were too large, and this whole formula had to be revisited. So in about 2002, there was a quantification settlement agreement quantifying the amount of water in the river, settling where it's going to go, and everybody agreed to it. One of the impacts of that was that less water could be used for agriculture in certain areas, and that agricultural runoff, particularly from the Imperial Valley, was what was keeping the Salton Sea at the level it had been at for some time. The quantification settlement agreement had a 15-year time frame. That's coming to an end in 2017. The final allocations then become effective, and it's at that point that less water will begin to flow into the Salton Sea.